PLUG stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Plug Power, $1.30, 6.15% up. This is how my chart's looking like, and to say the least, man, this is just a bearish market. Well, before this thing started pumping, now it's a whole different play, right? For example, me, yes, I have 41,000 videos recorded as a track record, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. It's all on my YouTube channel. Plug Power specifically, you can see I have 25 results showing up in my Discord receipt section. I mean, with all seriousness, man, yes, this sell side was like a one thing, and I do have video link proof just to back up my claims. Over 3 sells, I got 2 wins and 1 break even, and that's perfectly phenomenal, like normal, great number, right? And all that to say, still expecting the price to kind of keep doing its thing and keep delivering higher and higher, right? So if I don't see any sort of like a confirmation here though, like I'm not going to be buying. It's ultimately how I'm going to look at this thing. So let's do it this way. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I make it 15K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.